Welcome to Vegan Dose. Hey there, amazing souls. Welcome back to Vegan Dose, the channel where we make vegan living easy, fun, and absolutely delicious. If you're tired of rushing through your week without a solid meal plan, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into vegan meal prep tips for busy people. Because who doesn't want to save time, money, and stress while eating healthy and tasty food? Get ready to transform your hectic schedule into a smooth, meal prepped week. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up for more vegan goodness. Introduction: the importance of meal prep. Meal prepping is an absolute game changer. It helps you stay organized, avoid unhealthy food choices, and ensures you have nutritious meals ready to go. Plus, it can save you money by reducing food waste and cutting down on the temptation to eat out. Let's dive into how you can make meal prepping a part of your weekly routine. Step 1. Planning your meals. The first step to successful meal prep is planning. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose simple recipes. Go for easy, quick recipes with minimal ingredients. Think one-pot meals, salads, and grain bowls. 2. Make a shopping list. Once you've chosen your recipes, create a detailed shopping list to stay organized and ensure you don't forget any essential ingredients. 3. Balance your meals. Aim for a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in each meal. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh. Step 2. Batch cooking. Batch cooking is a lifesaver for busy weeks. Here's how to do it right. 1. Cook in large quantities. Prepare large batches of grains like rice, quinoa, and pasta to serve as the base for multiple meals. 2. Make versatile ingredients. Cook versatile ingredients that can be used in various dishes, like roasted vegetables. 3. Use a slow cooker or instant pot. These appliances are perfect for batch cooking soups, stews, and chili. Just throw in your ingredients, set the timer, and let them do the work. Step 3. Prepping ingredients. Prepping ingredients ahead of time makes meal assembly quick and easy. 1. Wash and chop vegetables. Spend some time washing, peeling, and chopping your vegetables. Store them in airtight containers in the fridge for easy access. 2. Prepare proteins. Cook your plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh in advance. Season them simply so they can be used in various dishes. 3. Make dressings and sauces. Prepare dressings and sauces in advance to add flavor to your meals. Store them in jars or squeeze bottles for easy use. Step 4. Storing your meals. Proper storage is key to keeping your meals fresh and delicious. 1. Use glass containers. Glass containers are durable, reusable, and do not retain odors or stains. They are also safe for microwave and oven use. 2. Label your containers. Label your containers with the date and contents to keep track of your meals and consume them before they spoil. 3. Freeze. When necessary. If you're prepping meals for more than a few days, consider freezing some portions. Soups, stews, and casseroles freeze well and can be reheated easily. Step 5. Assembling meals. When it's time to eat, assembling your prepped ingredients into delicious meals is quick and easy. Here are some ideas. 1. Grain bowls. Start with a base of cooked grains, add your prepped veggies, a source of protein, and top with a flavorful dressing or sauce. 2. Salads. Use your prepped vegetables and proteins to create a variety of salads. Add some cooked grains or beans for added texture and nutrition. 3. Wraps and sandwiches. Fill whole grain wraps or bread with your prepped ingredients. Add some hummus, avocado, or a tasty sauce for extra flavor. 4. Stir fries. Quickly stir fry your prepped veggies and proteins with some soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Serve over rice or noodles for a quick meal. Quick recipes for meal prep. Here are a few quick and easy recipes that are perfect for meal prep. 1. Chickpea salad. Mix canned chickpeas with chopped veggies, a dollop of vegan mayo, and your favorite spices. Store in the fridge and use as a filling for sandwiches or wraps. 2. Quinoa veggie bowl. Cook quinoa and mix with roasted veggies, a handful of greens, and a simple dressing made of olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. 3. Lentil soup. Cook lentils with chopped veggies, vegetable broth, and spices. Store in portions and freeze some for later in the week. 4. Tofu scramble. Sauté crumbled tofu with turmeric, nutritional yeast, and chopped veggies. Store in the fridge and heat up for a quick breakfast or lunch. If you're enjoying these meal prep tips, be sure to check out our other videos on vegan challenges, tips for vegan beginners, and even the potential negative effects of veganism. We've got a ton of content to help you on your vegan journey, so make sure to explore our channel. Tips for staying motivated. 1. Keep it fun. Experiment with different recipes and ingredients to keep things interesting. Variety is the spice of life. 2. Involve the family. Get your family or housemates involved in the meal prep process. It can be a fun activity and helps share the workload. 3. Stay organized. Keep your kitchen organized and well-stocked with essential ingredients. This makes the meal prep process smoother and more enjoyable. 4. Set aside time. Dedicate a specific time each week for meal prepping. Make it a routine so it becomes a natural part of your schedule. Wrapping up. And there you have it, my busy bees. With these vegan meal prep tips, you're all set to conquer your week with delicious, nutritious meals. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in making your life easier and healthier. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Vegan Dose for more vegan tips and recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Have a fantastic week, and remember to enjoy every bite of your vegan journey. Until next time, stay kind to yourself, to others, and to our beautiful planet. Happy meal prepping.